So I have always wanted a heater for my garage, and on days like today, it would really come in handy. As you can see, it is cold out. It is about 32 outside, and my garage is, I've had it open for a while now. It's a little over 35 degrees according to Radio Shack. And I've always wanted a garage heater, and it turns out I may already have one and didn't know about it. This guy here might just be able to heat my garage. We're gonna find out. First thing, I'm gonna plug this guy in. Garage door closing. Car is on. Do not try this with a normal internal combustion engine, please. This car, there's no exhaust system. Okay, the car's running, but I'm not gonna die. Got the new update, by the way. Really cool. Notice the doors. Yeah, I like the way the door opens and closes. That's so cool. Crank this guy up. Let's roll the windows down. Hey, let's turn these guys on too. Now we wait. Okay, so far we've lost 0.2 degrees. 154. See how long this takes, see if this thing keeps running. I don't know if this thing is going to keep running, honestly. With the door open, windows open, but it's not moving, the charger's plugged in. I don't know, but it would be really cool, really hot, to heat this garage up. So I am going to put this here. You guys can watch that. We'll come back. I just realized something. Oh, I should have clicked on this earlier, but it's only on 6, the fan, even though auto and high, but we can turn this sucker up to 10. How can I find like a... Okay, so tapping that seemed to have turned all of the vents on. Before on auto, it was just using the down, the foot vents, and now we've got it's down and it's running the main vents here in the front, and it's also doing the windshield vents. So I think this is blowing more air at this point. Ooh, look at that. We're already up. It's been a couple minutes. I'm gonna let this sit. I'll be back. Okay, 10 minutes in, and we've got a couple degrees already. Just so everybody's aware of the garage, the 2 side walls are actually insulated. The main wall here is attached to the house, and then as you can see, the garage door back there is just a fairly ordinary garage door. So, ooh, we're almost up to 37 degrees. This is, you know, not bad. You know, I don't know, a couple degrees, but it's a, you know, it's a 2-car garage. It's got some pretty good depth to it. So, it's moving, it's moving. Let's see what we get up to. Okay, so 40 minutes, 7, 8 degrees. Not the best heater in the world, but is it better than nothing? Well, yeah, of course it's better than nothing. Is anybody else going to ever do this aside from somebody like me who just wants to mess around one day? No, no one else is going to do this. I mean, I'm trying to think of any of the times I'm really working out in the garage for any length of time and I'm doing things like cutting wood and things like that. I'm not going to have my entire car in the garage with the doors and the windows open. If I really wanted to heat the garage all the time, most garages have at least 2 circuits in them. One for the garage door opener and separate ones for the outlets. And then if you have an EV in your garage, a lot of times you have a, 240 volt line. So you could also buy a much bigger heater and just run it off of those outlets and then run, you've got other circuits to run. So anyway, this is just not practical at all, but it's doable. Do I have a Tesla garage heater? Yes. Ish. And anyway, that's it. If you like these videos at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.